In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer notes from Android to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase an extremely simple method on how to import any notes that you have on an Android device to a PC. So in here, I have 3 examples of Notes apps: Mi Notes, Google Keep, and finally, Samsung Notes. So for the method that I'm going to showcase in this video, you will need to use Google Keep. You might be able to transfer your notes directly from Mi Notes or Samsung Notes to a PC, but like I said, for this particular video, we will be using Google Keep. So this method will allow you to import your notes into Google Keep, and then they will be available on both your Android device and your PC. This is because Google Keep is available through the website, so you don't need to download anything on your PC. By going over to keep.google.com and signing in with your Google account, all of your notes will be automatically synchronized. So this is why it is extremely convenient, and it is by far the best option if you like to take notes on multiple devices. The only difficulty is if you are using something like Mi Notes or Samsung Notes, you will need to import the notes from that application into your Google account. So in this example on Mi Notes, you can open a specific note, tap on the share button, and then you have to share the note. You can either save it as a file that you can import into Google Keep, or you can look for the option to load it in Google Keep directly. So if you already have it installed on your smartphone, it might be available from the list of applications, and then you just choose it. Make sure to download it from the Play Store, and once you have downloaded Google Keep and you imported your notes, they are all going to be available within the website. So you go to keep.google.com, sign in with your account, and your notes are going to appear here. So you can manage them as you wish. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.